Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today I will discuss with you resonance effect or mesomeric effect. The resonance effect is also called mesomeric effect, and in short you can call it R effect or M effect. For understanding the mesomeric effect or resonance effect, there are some points which I have written here. Number 1 point, chemical structures can be written in two or more forms than two different forms. Like here you can see there is a molecule of benzene. On the slide you can see that this is the benzene ring, and you see that there is the resonance in the ring with the pi bonds, and the pi bonds are on the different position in these two resonance structure. So the first point is clear that the chemical structure can be written in two or more form than two different forms. Number 2, these different structures are called resonance structure or canonical forms because there is a resonance in the double bond, or you can see the alternating double bond or conjugated double bond. So there is a resonance in these pi bonds. Number 3, resonance structures are made by shifting of pi bond. Yes, as I have said, these pi bond are in conjugation. You see, in the resonance, like this bond shift here, and there is a double bond will form, and then this bond is shift here, so there is a double bond form, and when this bond is shift here, so this bond is shift here, so there is a double bond. So basically the structure of one molecule, but it can be written in more than one or more than two forms. Number 4 points is all resonance or canonical structure are imaginary structure. So these structures are actually imaginary structures. Number 5th point is none of them can explain all the properties of molecule. So you cannot explain all the properties of the molecule by only this structure or only this structure. So if you see here, when there is a double bond here and there is a single bond here, so the bond length for single bond is 154 pm, but the bond length for double bond is 134 pm. And as these double bonds are going into resonance, so the bond length will be changed in this structure. So none of them can explain all the property of molecule. All resonance or canonical structure can be mixed to form hybrid structure, because when you see the benzene molecule, as you know, the bond length of single carbon-carbon bond is 154 pm and double carbon-carbon bond is 134 pm. But when they analyze the bond length of benzene ring, it is the 139 pm. All carbon-carbon bond length in benzene ring is 139 pm. So it is a resonance hybrid. So all resonance or canonical structure can be mixed to form hybrid structure. A hybrid structure is called resonance hybrid, which is a real structure due to the delocalization of pi electron. All the properties of molecule can be explained from this resonance hybrid. That's why it is called real structure.